Today I present a thought experiment. It's a day just like today. I don't do this at all, really. But this has really been lingering in my mind for a very long time. Pay attention to the situation I describe, and then put yourself in my shoes. What would you do if this faced you? You're starting to look around everywhere. Good weather, quiet, calm afternoon. You find yourself by yourself in this, pretty still afternoon. Peaceful, calm, placid even, as it may be described.
Let me check you out now. Stop. Listen to me. I had to do that. He was hitting you. What do you expect me to do? I'm your brother. Hang on, I'm an idiot like that. Beat on you like that. What the hell?
What exactly just happened? You had a long day at work or school, or just a tiring day overall. You're relaxing. You might be browsing on your phone, listening to music, listening to the radio, just taking in the atmosphere, but you're simply outside here, relaxing. Out of nowhere, all of a sudden, this calm atmosphere is disturbed by a very loud bang.
Why are you even dating him? He's abusive. No, I'm fine. Don't worry about my...
A crash that seemingly comes from every direction. You're stunned. You're shocked, as rightfully so. It seems that the weather is nice and peaceful. No thunderstorms anywhere in sight. What could it have been? Your adrenaline is pumping. What's going on? Was it an animal? Did someone throw something? Was it an animal? But curiosity gets the best of you. You have to find out what made this noise, what the source of this noise was. So you get up. You're looking around. What was it?
I had to fight for you, know that, right? What the heck are you thinking? Didn't mommy and dad tell you to drop that loser?
Slowly walk to the door. You open the door. And this
Don't worry about me. Are you okay? Ask the question here. Are you okay?
How exactly
Not me.
do you react?
Come here. Come here. It's okay.